Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really handy little piece of gear, the male 5-pin XLR to female 3-pin XLR DMX converter adapter. This isn't the most glamorous piece of equipment, but it solves a very common problem, especially if you're working with stage lighting or certain audio setups that use different XLR pin configurations. What this adapter does is exactly what it says on the tin. It converts a 5-pin XLR male connection to a 3-pin XLR female connection. This is super useful because DMX lighting systems often use 5-pin XLR, while standard audio equipment like microphones or some mixers use 3-pin XLR. Sometimes you need to connect a DMX controller with a 5-pin output to a fixture that only has a 3-pin input, or vice versa if you're using a 3-pin DMX controller with 5-pin fixtures. Though typically DMX is 5-pin out to 3-pin in or 5-pin in out. This adapter makes that connection seamless, allowing for proper signal flow without needing custom cables or bulky converters. It's designed specifically for DMX applications, working perfectly with DMX controllers, stage lighting fixtures, and dimming consoles. But because it's essentially just converting the physical connector type and passing through the relevant pins, it can also be used in some audio scenarios where you might encounter this specific 5-pin to 3-pin need, though its primary use case is definitely DMX. The adapter ensures compatibility across different pieces of professional gear. One of the things you immediately notice is how compact and portable it is. Compared to carrying around different types of cables or larger inline converters, this little adapter is tiny. You can easily keep a couple of these in your gear bag, and they're perfect for those tight spaces behind racks or fixtures where a long cable loop just isn't practical. It offers a lot of convenience without feeling like you're sacrificing performance or reliability. Looking at the technical side, the pin configuration is straightforward and follows the standard for this type of conversion, particularly for DMX. It connects pin 1 on the 5-pin side to pin 1 on the 3-pin side, which is ground or shield, pin 2 to pin 2, hot or signal plus, and pin 3 to pin 3, cold or signal. Pins 4 and 5 on the 5-pin connector are simply left unconnected, which is correct for DMX signals being passed to a 3-pin connection, as DMX only uses 3 pins for the data signal itself. This ensures the signal integrity is maintained during the conversion. Durability is also a key factor for anything used in professional stage or audio environments, and this adapter feels solid. It's made with a sturdy zinc alloy die-cast shell. This metal construction means it can handle being stepped on, dropped, or just generally knocked around in a busy setup. It provides a secure and stable connection once plugged in, which is crucial for preventing signal dropouts during a performance or event. Having a reliable connection point is just as important as having reliable cables or fixtures. So, if you're working with DMX lighting or find yourself needing to bridge the gap between 5-pin and 3-pin XLR connections, this Wallo adapter is a really practical and durable solution. It's compact, reliable, and built to withstand the demands of professional use. It simplifies connectivity issues and is definitely a useful addition to any technician's toolkit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.